Imagine this. You worked for months, poured your soul into videos, finally hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. And then, this appears on your screen. Monetization ineligible. It feels like the end, but what if I told you it's not? Today, I'll reveal how creators in 2025 are fixing monetization problems and turning roadblocks into revenue. Every day, thousands of YouTubers apply for monetization, and every day many get rejected. The reasons? Reused content, reused audio, copyright strikes, reused stock clips, invalid traffic. The tension is real. Do you quit or fight back? Let's break down the secrets big creators don't tell you. The first key, YouTube tells you why. Don't ignore it. In 2025, rejections fall into three big categories: reused content, too much stock footage, or AI voice with no originality; copyright issues, music, clips, or sounds you don't own; invalid traffic, fake views, click farms, or shady promotions. Find your category. Without clarity, you're lost. YouTube in 2025 loves one thing: originality. If you use stock clips, add narration, captions, commentary, or your own graphics. AI-generated voiceovers? Add storytelling, pacing, edits that make it yours. Remember, YouTube pays for creativity, not copies. Got hit with reused content? Don't panic. Re-edit your videos. Add transitions, background music, text overlays. Insert your commentary. Even with faceless channels, you can make every video feel unique. The secret? Transformation = monetization. Music strikes are brutal. In 2025, you can't just rip TikTok audio and expect to monetize. Use YouTube's free audio library or paid royalty-free platforms. And never upload other creators' clips without transforming them. The algorithm is smarter now. It sees everything. If you boosted your channel with fake views, YouTube knows. The fix? Focus on organic growth. Shorts, collabs, niche content. Encourage comments, community, and shares. Engagement beats fake numbers every time. Here's the part most creators get wrong. You don't just reapply instantly. Fix your content first. Show YouTube 3 to 5 fresh videos that prove originality. Then reapply. Think of it like a test. Don't hand in the same failed answers. And here's the twist. Even if YouTube says no, you're not powerless. In 2025 creators earn with affiliate links, digital products, and sponsorships. AdSense isn't the only game in town. Monetization is an ecosystem, not just a button. So when YouTube rejects you, it's not a dead end, it's a challenge. Reuse content? Transform it. Copyright strikes? Replace it. Invalid traffic? Go organic. The creators who survive are the ones who adapt. Will you? If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more creator hacks, and tell me in the comments, what's your biggest monetization struggle right now?